Ready to truly escape? The Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless noise-canceling headphones are here to transform your listening experience, offering unparalleled peace and pristine audio. What makes these the must-have headphones for 2025? It starts with their industry-leading noise cancellation, creating a personal oasis, whether you're on a noisy flight or in a busy office. Seriously, the world just melts away, letting you fully immerse in your music, podcasts, or important calls. Worried about battery life? You shouldn't be. With an incredible 30 hours on a single charge, these power through your longest days or journeys with ease. Then there's the game-changing multi-point connection, letting you seamlessly switch audio between your laptop and smartphone without ever missing a beat. Pure convenience. These aren't just great headphones, they're an experience, combining superior comfort with intelligent audio processing that elevates every sound. If you're actively searching for the best noise-canceling headphones or a premium audio upgrade, the Sony WH-1000XM5s truly stand out from the competition. To get your hands on a pair and experience this magic yourself, find the Amazon purchase link right in our description below. Investing in these means investing in quality, focus, and incredible sound for years to come. Don't wait. Click that link to buy the Sony WH-1000XM5s today and redefine your audio world.